I first started Village Mentors when I started volunteering with our parent organization, Village Book Builders. It was right when COVID hit, and I was looking for ways I could help out my community. This program just taught me how privileged I am. These kids often walk 2, maybe even 3 hours just to get to their sessions in the hot sun. And their determination just to go get educated is unbelievable.
So I thought this would be a great way to teach in sort of like a new way or new environment. And it sounded so cool to be able to like give back to students that don't have the resources that like other students have to get their questions answered and like have that one-on-one connection with like a mentor and a tutor.
We got at least more than 30 packs made for the refugees. So we're sending them to the International Rescue Committee. It's otherwise known as IRC. They're the ones who will be dealing with the distribution and contribution of those, but we definitely know that it will be helping out people that need it a lot.